Hi everyone, this is Tony Simons from the QA team, and today I'm going to be demonstrating our liquid staking feature in the web app. This feature allows users to stake and unstake Ethereum with the ability to withdraw ETH instantly with no wait times and receive exactly what they've staked minus gas fees. So, to begin our liquid staking journey, we need to go to the Staking Protocols page. From here, the user can begin the flow by simply clicking on the Stake button for Ethereum. On the following page, the user can select a stake using either our standard or liquid staking features. Let's click on the button and start liquid staking. The next step will be to connect my wallet. Today we will be connecting to the liquid staking feature using a Ledger Live wallet on mainnet via Wallet Connect. Once the wallet connection is approved, you can see that the wallet is now connected to Blockdaemon liquid staking. As you can see, I currently have a balance of 5.121 ETH, 0 SETH and 0 RETH. So the first thing I'm going to do is use the stake feature to stake 1 ETH. I click on the stake button, enter the amount I want to stake, and then click on the stake button to submit. As you can see, I will be receiving 1 SETH, and the total amount to be staked is 1 ETH plus gas fees. Once I click on stake, I will need to approve the transaction in my wallet. Okay, so I've approved the transaction, and now we wait for the transaction to complete in the background. There we go. As you can see, my stake was successful and my balances have updated. By clicking on this link, I'll be taken to etherscan where I can view the successful transaction. Okay, now I have my 1 SETH. I'm now going to click on Unstake and Withdraw. When you first attempt to unstake, you will be asked to approve unstaking in your wallet. There will be 2 transactions to approve, one for SETH and one for RETH. Once these have been approved, you will not be requested to approve again unless you choose to revoke the approvals. So let's approve these requests. Okay, that's the SETH approval completed. Let's approve the RETH approval request as well. Right, so both approval requests were successful and the unstake modal is now available. We can now start to unstake. You can unstake either SETH, RETH or both, but for this demo, we will just be unstaking the 1 SETH we received earlier. As you can see, I am unstaking 1 SETH and will be receiving 1 ETH in return. Again, once submitted, I will need to approve this request in my wallet, so let's do that now. Okay, that's approved, and now we wait for the transaction to complete in the background. This shouldn't take very long. And there we have it. The unstake was successful and the transaction is now available to view on etherscan. As you can see, my wallet balance is updated and I have received 1 ETH as expected. And just to confirm, here is my current balance in my Ledger Live wallet. Okay, this concludes my demo of the Blockdaemon liquid staking feature. Thank you for watching.